Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Aditya, the project manager for the AD project, and our application will be the cat management, the PawsHub with the about the cat. All right, so the first one would be the explanation of the features. So previously, because I put uh, I already click complete sprint in the backlog, I didn't know that it would delete it in the backlog and the board. So there is no task here because I put the complete sprint before. I didn't know that. But thankfully, we can still see it in the list here. Okay, so I will just finish this Jira now. So we need to explain. All right. So first of all, we have 6 tasks here. The first one would be implementing the login and register, which means it is about implementing the login module with the Firebase. It will be assigned to Abdurrahman. Oh no, it's actually partially with Zaidan because Zaidan is the one who initiate the Firebase and define the security rules and provision the Firebase itself in the project. So half of this is did by Zaidan and Abdul just connected with the front end. After that, let's go to the design first. So in the designing phase will be it was done by Hilmi designing. So the one in the Figma, he designed the Figma, which will be used in the system later. Okay, so we can see the activity here. He said it's completed. So Abdurrahman saw it and he said he would redesign it because he want to change the color itself to match some to make it better. And Hilmi say yes. So that's part of the discussion. Okay. So after that, there is the another front end that's been done by Abdurrahman. Add new cat form, adding new cat. Uh, okay, let's just go to the system itself now. Okay, so this is for the registration part. Okay, registration. Let's say I don't have an account. I press the don't have an account. So let's do it test1 at gmail.com. Testing as they use the as a name, password 123456. Okay, go with sign up. Oh, it's already been used. Okay, test 12345. Okay, okay. As been saying here, we can see the cat list and cat details, which is here. The cat details. We can see the Bobby and the adding the photo itself will be for the next sprint. So you can see the detail. And for this, create at new cat form, where we will create new cat. It's here. So let's say there is a cat that we see. We want to take a photo and create a new cat name. Let's say the cat name is uh, Catty. Okay. So it's healthy, and let's say it's been being taken care of. So we can add this cat, and it will be here. So that's for the create add new cat form. So that's what Abdurrahman does. Hilmi does the design, Zaidan does the backend, and for me, I prepared all the documentation, the project splitting tasks, and why I don't do code for this sprint because as you can see, it's still really small scope. I will do the coding for the next sprint, of course. So Abdurrahman and Zaidan do the code. Okay. And else, okay. Let's go to GitHub. For the major commits, I will show the pull request history. let's say, okay, let's see this one. Okay, so the first one was testing. So the major commits, I think pull the pull request. The first one was Firebase implement and basic database setup. So it was in here what Zaidan was doing. So it's implementing the Firebase itself. And then after that, Abdurrahman just did all the front end, connecting the data, and he immediately finished it. Okay, finished the sprint one for the front end and for the rest. And after that, there was some issue with the registration screen. Oh, this is the logout. Okay, with the registration screen, where when we register it didn't change the screen. So Zaidan changed it, fix register not changing screen. That's the last major commit in GitHub. Okay, so let's say if we want to see the branches, this is the branch. Okay, the testing, all the branches by Abdul, by Zaidan, and this is the main code. I mean, you can see it yourself in the GitHub. All right, now let's go to the report. All right, the we will go to the SRD first. Okay, let's go introduction, project scope, of course. This is for the sprint one first, okay? And for the backgrounds, it's the same. Stakeholder, which is the one that we did an interview with. His name was Safi, and he's an admin in Unicats. For the user class, for this sprint first, okay? For the next sprint, we will update this document update again. So for this user and admin can delete the cat, and user can do all the things here. I think where was the UCD? Okay, this is the UCD where the user can do all of this instead of the delete, which can only be done by the admin. Okay, so uh, the update we did, we we put the requirement, functional requirement. System must allow unauthenticated user, must allow registered user. Okay, and the system must allow unauthenticated user to create new cat profile. Okay, these things, this is about the cat, this is about the health, will be also in the cat detail. So this is the list of the use cases. We have register account, login, logout. Okay, that's for the authentication module, and for the cat module, add cat profile, browse cat list, view the cat. Let's log in with the previous one. It was test 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's this, right? I kind of okay. So register the account, login, logout, add cat profile. Previously we did that. Browse the cat list, view the cat, and delete. You can delete this. Okay. Okay, logout. Okay, that's for the each use case we have showcased it. Okay. Now use case. I think it's all done. You can read this by yourself. Non-functional requirement. I think the second loss is about the test report. Okay, so for the test report, we tested each use case, of course, and thankfully we have SQA this semester, so we know what does each of these mean. So first, test register user with valid email and password, and the actual result account created, but the screen didn't change from the register page. So it was the root cause. Registry mounted on top of the login screen. That's why. So it's already resolved now by today. Okay. And then after that, we test with the invalid email. It's error. Okay. So correct. Test user with invalid passport. Also error. Correct. And test login user with valid email and password. Login. So redirect. So it's all correct. Test login, test the logout, and then for the test the cat module, we test adding cat created, redirected to the cat list, and test the browsing cat, it's displayed, test viewing specific cat profile, did that, okay, and test deleting, cat profile is deleted. All right. So that's all for the test report. So now the last one for the software release. Okay. So for the release, I put it here. I have released it too. Yeah. Status released. And when I press this, okay, the work items here. Nice. So it's all here. It's all done, and it has been released. The work items in the release one, which is the previous 6. This is the release note. Okay. In the discussion, we have shown it too before. Discussion, the documentation, yeah, giving update. The reports are done. Okay, I can give another update. Recording is done. Okay, I'll just say it is done. Okay, because I'm recording it now. Okay, so it's all done now. As for the discussion. Okay, so I think that's all. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening, Doctor, and good luck to you and to us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.